Hi, it's Dr. Doug Smale from CDOCS, and today's Tip of the Day video is on the PrimeScan Primemill workflow for CEREC Guide 2 and 3, and it's setting up your spacer. Now, you got to make sure we do this because there's a number of default settings, and you got to make sure you correct those. So this is important for whether you're using CEREC Guide 2 or CEREC Guide EV, which is CEREC Guide 3. So when you get to the settings part after you do administration, you'll see that the first thing you're going to notice is, what are the spacer settings? Well, you're going to see the thickness to 2 millimeters, and that's fine. But you'll see the default for the spacer setting is 60 microns. That is just, in my opinion, too tight. I've done a lot of these. It just doesn't work well. And so when you see that 60 microns, you're going to have to fix that. Now, how do you do that? Well, you got to change that default setting again from 60. What I found that works the best is 100 microns. So again, how do you do that? You're going to, that little circle between the 0 and 200, that little circle, you left click and drag it right out to the middle, and then you'll see in that little box that says 100 microns right there that that number will keep going up. So when it gets to 100, you let it go, and now you're all set. So from there, it's just a simple matter of moving on and going through the rest of the steps and sending out your guide. But you got to correct that spacer or else you're going to get to it and your guide's not going to fit well. All right, thanks. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you at a CDOCS course in the future.